Perlin was sitting and he saw his food and he was like, this food is just gross. How can anyone stand this nasty food? And then, ew, he said. Greasy pizza and fries. Blah! As he looked up and he saw a girl and he was like, who's that? And she was still there. And she was like, hi, I'm Vaxia Cobalt. What's your name? And Perlin was like, shaking fake his face. Hi, I'm Perlin Reed. Nice to meet you. Once Perlin and Vaxia got to know each other, they find that they both enjoy art. And the people were gone. They went to the library to look at some of their drawings. Quiet library. Chill library. Oh, he says, looking at her drawings, and she looks at him with her hand on her face, and she's like, yes, they're very nice, aren't they? And then he's like, wait a second. Perlin, stop, she says. And there's a interesting drawing of a man. And it looks closer, and closer, and closer, and then he looks and the man turns into a real person, and there's trauma, and great winds, and frighteningness, and there's a wolf, wolves, and rains, and owls, and campfires, and woodpeckers, and frogs, and there's so much chaos, and then everything quiets down again, and he's like, boo, and Perlin is all like, and then he faints. And then Vaxia's like, "Oh, you okay, Perlin?" And he was like, "Ah!" again. And then he's like, "Ah!" And then they're both like, "Ah!" because Perlin scared Vaxia. And now he's just sitting all alone. And there's some weird thing forming beside him. And what is it? Oh, it's gone again. Oh, and then it's Vaxia. Look at her, she's just chilling. And then she was like, "I can explain it someday." And Perlin's all like, How long do you expect to live? Asked Vaxia. As long as anyone, I suppose, said Perlin. And then Vaxia's all like, and how long would that be? Oh no! Trolls! How? 'Cause look, there's a troll hand over there. That's weird. Okay. Next thing is, I want to show you something. Oh, he's grabbed it. I want to show you something, says Vaxia. Vaxia told Perlin that she was an elf and trying to protect her people from stealing their only protection from trolls. To be continued. Sorry, I don't have the patience. Yeah, I agree. That was pathetic. And then it starts over. Yep. The end.